Say it again.
Which one?
Both. 4 different sentences.
What is it?
Bitch, say fuck. Fucking bitch. And fuck.
That's 3.
And bitch.
That's 4.
Exactly. Both.
Bitch.
Both. It's loud enough.
Bitch.
It's not loud enough. Say it.
Bitch, fuck, fucking bitch. God is shining down on you today.
Say it again.
No. Please, no. I said it. No.
That's not loud enough. Look at me. See it.
What?
See it.
Victoria's a bitch.
I'm telling you. There you go.
No, I said it. I did my deal.
Say poop.
Poop.
Say poop whore.
Poop whore.
Say I'm a whore.
You're her.
Oh. Flip up the camera. Hey. That's not flipping it off.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not. That is.
That is.
That is not.
That is.
No, it's not.
And mine is.
It is not. That's nothing.
It's Russian.
It's tea. Suck it. Do it right or go to your room.
Dude, I fulfilled my duty.
There you have it. Do it. Do it.
Which one?
One. Thank you. Say goodbye.
No.
Look at the camera. What are you doing? Don't do that.
Why?
Put it down. Put it down, Morgan Marie. Put the damn scissors down. Did I say throw them? I didn't. Stop. You're gonna have to sleep in my room. You're annoying. Oh my god. Really? Honestly? I'm gonna have to beat the hell out of you, aren't I?
Where's Bob?
Well, thanks. You're immature. Don't.
Look, she's never Victoria's Secret because she has so many secrets.
Really? Really? Honestly? Could you come up with anything better? Morgan Marie, Alice. Yeah. You're gonna get the beat out of you.
Oh my god!
Yeah, better run over there, little whore. Yeah, switch.
This is my dad, and this is my dad! No, that was my dad.
Bye, fucking bitch.